Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to be removing and replacing the liftgate latch in this 2013 Cadillac SRX. If you need this part or other parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Open the liftgate. Next we're going to take this cover off. You can try to take this off with a trim tool right here, right here. You can get underneath, but it's a little bit tight, so I'm just going to use a pick. Just be careful not to scratch the plastic. Get underneath here and pop it off there. Slide it out. Now we're going to take this screw out. It's a T30, so we'll use a T30 socket, extension, and a ratchet. So there's multiple clips that hold this in underneath here, and then a couple of retainers that go that way on the back. So we're just going to take some trim tools. We actually sell these trim tools at 1aauto.com. Just go underneath here. Try to pry it out a little bit. You can just grab it with your hands and pull it straight down. Just gonna force it. And then the back is gonna come this way. Just like that. See, these are those clips that are in the back. Be careful not to break those. And then you have all these other retainers all around. Now we're going to disconnect this electrical connector. Just push down on this lock, slide it off. Okay, I'm going to take a T30. I'm going to take these 3 screws out. Take a T30 and a ratchet. Pull that screw out. Pull that bolt out. All 3 of those are out. And we can grab the latch and slide it through here. And the connector right here, we need to slide this gray piece up. That's just a lock. And then push down on the lock and slide the connector out. This is the old part. This is the new latch from 1aauto.com. As you can see, the shape is the same. Flip it over, the latch part is the same. Connectors are the same. Get yours at 1aauto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll. Now we're gonna take the new latch. We're gonna plug in the connector right here. Then we'll push down on that lock tab, there. And we're going to feed that wiring harness back in. Put that latch in position like that. Next we're going to take these screws. You can put a little bit of thread locker on them if you need to. Get these started here. This one. I'm going to get them all started first before I tighten them down. I'll take the T30 and a ratchet and we'll tighten these down. Now snug these down. All right, before I put this panel on, I'm just gonna make sure everything's working properly. Just manually close the liftgate. It latched good. I'm gonna open the liftgate, and it's working properly. I'll take this cover, connect the connector right here, lock it on. We want to slide these two pins in on the back first. Lock those on, and then line up the other guides. There's a guide pin right here. You line that up, and then line the other one up as well. And just push, give it a tap. Install this bolt with a T30 socket extension, and once I get it down, I'll snug it up with the ratchet. Just snug, not too tight. It is plastic. This little cover, line it up, lock it in. We can close this.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.